Hi, this is Josh with Texan News, and today we're talking about how Texas plans to spend a record $85 billion on road construction over the next 10 years. Billions and billions. If I had a bald cat, I would pet it. The plan announced by Governor Greg Abbott, who described it as an unprecedented level of projected transportation funding, will coincide with an additional $32 billion over the life of the program. This brings the total investment to $117 billion statewide over 10 years. The big part behind the costs, one will be equipment, right? These guys are going to need pavers. That's going to be big money right there. Another is employees. Like, you got to have people to run these sites. So that'll be your main costs. Many of the projects in the UTP plan are roadway segments identified on Texas's 100 most congested roadways list. And they're also critical for the connectivity corridors, such as Interstate 35 in the Austin area and Interstate 610, which loops around Houston. The projects will be funded through legislative and voter-approved initiatives that allocate portions of oil and gas taxes. 58,500 direct and indirect jobs are expected to arise from this program. That's my entire city where I live. For more information about all projects of the UTP, you can visit the TX.'s Project Tracker. And for more industry news, you can follow us at Texan News, Texan HD as well. Smash that like button, subscribe, do all the fun things that your kids do. Don't be old. I'm old.